Hello, and welcome to week 6, the last week of this class. Woo! You did it! You're just about done! Wow! Now, this is kind of a weird, abbreviated week because the semester actually ends on June 27th. That's Wednesday. Please note, Wednesday is the last day to do work. Note, no work will be accepted after Wednesday, June 27th. Good news is there's not a lot of work to do. If you're watching this video, you gotta take a post-test. You took a pre-test at the beginning of the semester, now you take a post-test. And then you get to turn in the revisions of paper 3. The last week you wrote paper 3 and you submitted a first draft. I looked over it and I gave you feedback. And you took that feedback and you did revisions and you submit the final paper and then you'll take the post test. And that's it for this class. That's it. And then you're on to the rest of your summer. So hope you have stuck with this class. Again, it was like kind of a breakneck speed. That's kind of the way this class goes when you have a short term. But I hope you feel more comfortable writing research papers with the feedback that I've given you over the course of the semester. Getting to practice. Again, writing, like any skill, is something you get better at by doing. So that's why we had you write these different papers and practice these different skills. So I wish you all the best and have a great rest of your summer. Bye.